Welcome to Peanut Island! What's up, you guys?
Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Boy, do we have a fun video for you guys today. So if you are planning to visit Florida or just want to see one of the best beaches here in Florida, Florida's, I would say, one of the hidden secrets here in South Florida.
One of the most hidden gems here in South Florida.
Yes.
Listen up right now.
Oh my gosh, this is one of our all-time favorite places. So if you have to be new to our channel, we live here in Florida, Fort Lauderdale.
Yep.
And we are so excited. My darling parents are in town visiting us. And today we decided it would be so fun to come show them Peanut Island.
Guys, this place is absolutely incredible. It's literally just a very tiny island out in the middle of the intercoastal, right at like the front of one of the channels.
Yes, so this is north from Fort Lauderdale. It's near West Palm Beach, if you're familiar with the area. You basically drive to a marina. It's the Riviera Marina. It's actually like a 10-minute shuttle ride.
Oh, it's super quick, but it's fun. It only costs 18 bucks. If you
round trip.
Round trip, exactly. That's per person. And if you guys plan on bringing a cart like we did to haul all your stuff over, it's an additional $5 for that.
Yes, and you can bring puppies here.
And it's pet friendly.
So we brought our little Finners. He absolutely loves it. So this morning we packed up, got on the shuttle, came over here. It was kind of cloudy when we got here, but now you guys, the sun is out. It is such a beautiful day, which I'm so happy about.
So one quick local tip, when you guys decide to come here, make sure you check the tides, because the tide, when it comes in, that's when there's the most fish, it's the most clear, as far as like the clarity in the water. So make sure you check out the tides. I'll put a link down in the description below where we go to check them.
Yes, and also you guys, this is the place for snorkeling. I would say this is one of the best places outside the Caribbean here in Florida, for at least that we have found for snorkeling. Outside of
one other place too that we love to go to is called Alligator Reef. If you guys are also new to our channel, never seen it before, I will also link that video down below.
That one's our favorite.
That is by far the best snorkeling in the world.
But this is a very family-friendly island, so you can come, plan to spend the day here. You can actually even camp overnight, which is kind of cool if you're very adventurous and you want to spend a night on an island here in Florida. They do have a campground. It's a small island. It's walkable. It's just basically a big circle. You can even paddleboard over here if you want from
I've done it before.
The land. Yes, Jared has done it before. There's also a bridge nearby called the Blue Heron Bridge. It's also known for snorkeling, diving. There's
a lot of like dive sites over there, even like sunken boats and whatnot. It's cool.
I would say pack an umbrella, especially if you're going to be here during the really warm months, because there's not a ton of shade. There are something you can see behind us. There's like some campgrounds with picnic tables and stuff, but not a ton of shade. So definitely bring an umbrella. Pack for the day.
There is a bathroom here on site, and there's a ton of like paved walkways everywhere, so it's easy to get around.
Another tip, if you are taking the shuttle, keep in mind the last shuttle you have to take out is at 5 p.m.
Yeah, 5 p.m.
So kind of just plan your day according to that. But we are so excited, you guys. We just got our chairs set up. We packed lunch. My parents, the sun came out and it was shining on the water right when we got here.
I know.
They are loving it. So we're just excited to go explore it, show them it, and show all of you. All right, guys, so we got our little setup right here is my cute parents. So what do you guys think of Peanut Island so far?
I think it's gorgeous.
Isn't it so pretty?
It's beautiful. The water, oh my word. And
prettier than a peanut.
Prettier than a peanut. We brought a suitcase, and this is actually full of water scooters, of course.
You guys know how earlier we said that the snorkeling here is amazing? Well, I just spotted manatees on the drone. And anyone who knows me knows that I'm really afraid of manatees. I don't know why, but I'm going to go conquer my fear right now.
He's gonna go out and swim with the manatees if he can find them, which this is huge, because Jared, you guys know this, it's been like the running joke on our channel for a long time that Jared just does not like manatees. So this is so fun that he's gonna actually go out there. Are you gonna take the water scooter?
Oh yeah.
Now you're not supposed to touch manatees or swim near them. You're supposed to be really still. So he's gonna go swim near them and kind of see how that goes. But the sun just came out. We actually just watched this huge yacht. isn't huge, pretty small. Today we're here on a Friday. On the weekends, obviously it'll be busier, so just keep that in mind too. But it is so beautiful. Where these rocks are right here is the best place to snorkel. And like Jared said, you want to come during high tide so all the fish come in. But you can just see how clear the water is. It is unbelievably beautiful. Here's little finners. Beanie, what do we think? So pretty. Whoa, there he is. How was it?
I saw it.
You did?
I saw it. Just for a split second.
Oh my gosh.
I saw a manatee. Yeah, I got like within like, I don't know, that far away.
Oh my gosh, did it just swim by?
Did you just stay still?
I just stumbled upon it. I couldn't find it forever, and then all of a sudden just like was on top of it.
No way. That's awesome. Wow, guys, big moment.
Yeah, big moment, baby. Got scared of this thing.
Oh, yeah, I
though.
bet.
It swam away pretty quick.
You guys, look at this water. It is unbelievable.
It is really clear.
It's so clear.
The water's really clear.
Are there lots of fish over there?
Tons, yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the reveal of my mom's swimsuit? If you missed our video yesterday, we went shopping. She got a new swimsuit, which she hasn't done in years. And I gotta show you how cute she looks. 3, 2, boom! You guys look
What
at
do you think, you guys?
She got
A little bright, maybe.
she got a cute bright pink
I do
swimsuit.
like this color, and Brittany found it for me.
It looks so cute, and then she got this cute little black swim skirt.
Yeah.
It is, oh my gosh.
So excited.
You guys, give this video a thumbs up for cute Glenn. Mom, it matches your pink car now.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
that's right.
it does. Oh, and Finn likes it too. Oh, that is so cute. Say, Nana, you're so cute.
Oh, thank you, Finn.
Cutest Nana around, that's
Thank
for
you.
sure.
It's all thanks to Brittany, you guys.
Oh my gosh, Mom, you're ready for the beach. I mean,
I'm ready for the beach.
the fun in the sun, you are ready for it. I don't think they're ever gonna leave. They're little fish now.
Not quite, but I'm on my way.
You're on your way? Whoa, shark! Here, do you see this dog, Finny? Stop.
What's up, Peter?
He's been whining for you.
Did that just pull you right through the water?
Oh yeah, it's so nice. It's super clear.
So you guys, Finn was whining so bad. He saw Jared out here and he literally like leapt into his arms. Finny, you found him, but now you want me again? Is that how it goes?
All right, guys. I just went in, faced my fear, and I did it. I was
Got
looking.
in the water with manatees.
I got in the water with manatees. I did not pursue it, and I didn't touch it. Not because it's illegal, but also because I was terrified. But I was looking for it frantically. I couldn't find it anywhere. I could see it from the drone, so I was like going in that general area where I thought it was.
So many people when it was out there.
Oh, it was around so many different people. So I was looking for it, and all of a sudden I literally just happened upon it. It terrified me.
Bit scared?
Oh, it scared me like crazy because I didn't know what it was. It was just this giant like thing, like a big, tiny whale.
Oh my
in the water.
You guys, whoever thought this day would come, that
I know.
Jared would be by a manatee.
I got like within like me to Britt, like very, very close to it.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
That is crazy.
It was the coolest thing in the world. And the water here is like super, super clear. I saw a ton of fish. So again, if you guys are coming here, you've never been here before, the snorkeling here is really awesome. You want to come at high tide.
Yeah.
It's starting, the tide's starting to go out right now. So it's getting a little bit more shallow, not as much fish. And the clarity isn't as good, but it was just seriously so much fun, especially on those water scooters. You can just kind of zip around real quickly.
He was zipping around and little Finn would see him and just start whining.
Yeah.
He was worried about him. It's so anyways, it was so cute. You just heard little Finn just like whining every time we saw Jared zip, zip, zip.
I will say that if you guys do come in like January, February, you know, March, something like that, I would highly recommend bringing a little jacket because the water is very cold.
It's not too bad though. My mom was nervous and she loved it. Her, my dad, my parents are out there just soaking it all in. They're just standing in the water. So cute.
I know.
The sun comes out though. Oh, it's like 78 right now, so it's warm. But
it's warm. The water is chilly though.
But there's been quite a few clouds that come in, but once that sun hits it and lights it up, it is so beautiful.
So nice.
So perfect. There's hardly anyone here right now.
Yeah.
It's almost 4 p.m. So things are starting to kind of wind down.
This is seriously like the perfect little spot to come. You know, it's just like a little hidden gem that very few people I feel like know about. It's really just the locals that know about this place.
Yeah. All right, how was it, little lady?
It was awesome, you guys.
You guys turned into little fish out there. They're out there a while.
Yeah, it took me a little while, but honestly, after a little while, the water was warmer than the air.
Yeah, that's right. You get used to it, Dad.
Oh, and there's that beautiful sun. Hey, Warren.
What do you think about Peanut Island? You like it?
I love it.
You love it.
Yeah.
It's better than a peanut, he says.
Yeah, really.
Also, I have to show you, my mom has on our cute JB towel. Do you see this? We don't really talk about it too often, but we have these darling towels. So they go from like pink to like sunsetty. That's how Jared designed it, kind of sunset. So
You designed these, Jared?
I did.
Oh my God.
They go with my mom's swimsuit.
You think they're soft or you think they're okay?
Oh yeah, I like them.
She likes them. They're Glenna approved.
I like them, you know, and they're not too heavy and bulky.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? Glenn is also wearing another thing that I designed.
Oh, the sunglasses too. That's right.
I used to have a sunglass company.
Yeah, when Jared had his sunglass company, KZ, they look good, Mom. And Jared's dressed for winter right now with his jacket.
It was cold in there.
It was cold.
I was in the water snorkeling for like an hour and a half.
I know, when you get out it's a little cold. Well, you guys, we cleared this place out. We are the last to leave. We're just getting everything all packed up. Well, I guess there's 2 more people for us. So we're gonna take the last little water taxi ferry, whatever you want to call it, out. Good time had by all, man. That was perfect timing with the weather and everything.
Oh,
It was so fun.
So fun. So we're just gonna walk over. This is the little dock where you catch the ferry back. It's like not even a 10-minute ride, but kind of fun to be out on the water. So you get a little bit of the water experience plus the island.
Yeah, plus all this beautiful, the houses and buildings out in the distance.
It's so pretty. So much to look at, see, do. Definitely put this on your list if you're coming to South Florida. It is awesome. There's the sunshine.
Oh, we love it.
We're just waiting for the ferry and I look over and I see Jared and Finn just sitting on the dock. That is so cute. Finners. Oh my gosh, you guys, the sun was just starting to set behind these palm trees right here. We were getting pictures of my parents. You have to go check them out over on Instagram. Oh, that is cute, Finn.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.